Halloween, 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 happy, happy Halloween, little birds and mice. Happy, happy Halloween, 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 happy, happy Halloween.
The film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths, in particular Sally Hardesty and her invalid brother Franklin. It is all the more tragic in that they were young. But had they lived very, very long lives, they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Hitchhiker.
Should we pick him up? Oh, yeah, man. Pick him up. He'll asphyxiate out there. Where you headed, man? South. Would you fill her up, please?
I got no gas.
You're out of gas?
My tank's empty. Transport won't be here until late this afternoon. Maybe not even until tomorrow morning.
Looks like it must have been a nursery room or something.
This was my room. I got to stay here one summer when I was 8 years old, right after my grandmother died.
What happened?
What happened to my grandmother?
Yes, she died. Hey, Franklin.
Hey, Franklin, what's wrong?
Didn't you say there's a swimming hole around here?
Yeah.
Well, Pam and I'd like to go swimming, man.
There used to be a trail down between those 2 old sheds.
Come on, we'll find it.
Gasoline. Hello? Hello? Down to the creek before it gets too dark. How do I get there, Frank?
Well, there's a trail down there between them 2 old sheds.
Can I go too?
I think you better stay here.
Hello? Is anybody home? Okay, you guys. Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing?
You got no need to worry.
No!